Hello everyone, I'm G. Sujay Kumar, Innovation Activity Coordinator, IIC, Enapo Institute of Technology, Mooduvidre. In this video, I'm going to explain about problem statements, round 1 and round 2 details of National Level Ideathon 2020. There are 5 problem statements. In that first one is about defense, in that particularly a smart system to maintain body temperature of a soldier in Siachen depending on surrounding temperature. In Siachen, the temperature drops up to minus 40 degrees Celsius. So we need a system. You need to give an idea to develop a system which reads surrounding temperature, and it will analyze the temperature, and depending on that, it it should produce the temperature, the heat which is comfortable for a human body. In problem statement 2, it's about COVID-19 prevention using Internet of Things or artificial intelligence or machine learning. Here you need to give an idea to design a system which prevents the spreading of COVID-19 in uh, s- in community or person to person. So uh, you need to take one cause, how the spreading of COVID-19 takes place, and try to give a solution to it. As we know, the bus stands and railway stations, market, where it's very difficult to maintain that social distancing. So, any of these things you can take it and try to give the solution to prevent the spreading of COVID-19. Problem statement 3 is about disease diagnosis using IoT or AI. Here you need to give an idea to develop a system to diagnose the disease like sugar, or the system which gives prior information about heart attack or stroke, or diagnosis of kidney stones. So such things comes under PS3. PS4 is smart instruments for physically challenged people. Uh, in this problem statement, you need to give an idea to develop a system or a device which is helpful for physically challenged people, and it should be uh, with low cost, simple, and easy to handle for them. You can take one problem like blindness and try to find the solution. Uh, f- I mean, for a solution for the problem faced by the blind people. And last one, PS5 is it's open problem statement, like the problems observed by the by you itself uh, in the society or in the surrounding anywhere, and it will be your own problem statement, own solution, and you need to explain how it is unique, or how it is modified or better than the existing one. In round 1, you need to submit your idea for the problem statements given in PDF format. uh, it should be with maximum of 2 pages, and your idea should be framed uh, by using these 3 components: problem statement, solution, and innovation. In the problem statement, uh, it's already given, a problem statement is given, but it's a broad area. In that one particular thing or specific thing or problem you need to take, and the or frame that problem statement in such a way that it should make an impact. It should tell its importance, how important it is to find the solution for that problem. So that you need to explain in the problem statement. It should include like what is the problem, the people or the people affected by that problem, or reason which is affected by that problem, and how it is affecting the people or society, and who is responsible for it. So all these things comes under a problem statement. For example, corporation scavengers who are just we are using them to get into that sewage, and they clean that one when there is a blockage, and they come in direct contact with the sewage water, and many of them died because of suffocation and many other problems. So this is a problem. How actually it is happening? It may be irresponsibility, or the drugs taken by them, and many things it includes. And who is affected? His family is affected by this, by losing him. And who is responsible? Even the engineers who construct the sewage, that tunnels, and maybe the society who is not segregating the waste in a proper way. So such things you need to include the problem statement. You can make an impact by uh, including data like how many people died, how many of the workers they died because of this problem. So that will increase the impact of that problem statement. So this problem statement is very very important. Um, it's one of the main judgment criteria. And solution should be the concept which you are using to find the solution for the problem. Uh, Here, for example, for the same problem which I told you already, okay, if you want to avoid the direct contact of the scavengers with the sewage water, then what you need to do? So, how you can do it? By using which technology, or which concept, mechanical instrument operated by the sensors, so or robotic hand if you are using. Okay, that you need to specify in this solution, so that you need to give the you need to explain in this solution. So this is the solution means what is innovation? It is the gap between your solution and existing technology. If it is a new one, then you need to give how it is better than the existing one. Okay, and it can be, you can say, the innovation in this particular problem. The innovation may be, okay, robotic hand. If you are designing means, there will be some technologies already available, already existing to clean the sewage water. So okay, then you need to compare how your technology is better than that existing one, whether it's a low cost technology, whether it's a simple, or it's simple to operate. So such things you need to include in innovation. Even the solution can be measured by some of the parameters, like how specific it is, whether it's measurable, attainable, or how realistic it is. So based on that, your solution will be uh, like the judgment of the solution will be done. This is about the round one. Based on this, uh, we'll select, we'll shortlist the ideas for the round two. Here, the video presentation will be there, online video presentation, or will inform about which platform, or how the video should be submitted. So this will be informed to the shortlisted students. The maximum slides will be six, and the first slide should include all individual and team details with the title of the project or idea. And here are the details of first slide. And as I already explained about problem statement, uh, and solution, and also the innovation, the fifth slide will be the technical details. Here you need to give the more details about which component you are using, which hardware you are using, or if you are using any software, then little information about algorithm, if it is there, then only. Or I mean, the mainly the components, because we need it to I mean, how much cost you need to build this prototype if required. So for that it will be useful. And last slide should be the business model, which is very important. In the second round, the business model will play an important role. Um, okay, so it should include who is your customer. A small survey you need to do it. I mean, it will be better if you do a small survey about okay, depending on your product. For example, it's about agricultural product, then you need to do a survey. Here all farmers in India are not your customers. Like particularly on which area or which agricultural field you are doing, you are, I mean, you are concentrating. So that will be the important. And whether those farmers are affordable, can afford your product, and so those things, how many are interested in your product. I mean, it is not exact number. You need to predict, okay, if my product is in the market, and how many customers you will get. So that a small survey, if you do it, then it will be better. Otherwise you can make a I mean, you can assume, okay, this much of customers I have for this product. So like that, um, you need to give a point about who is your customer. Marketing strategy means how you reach your customer. So here you need to explain. Explain means in point you need to explain what tactics you will use, how you reach your customer. So that thing you need to add in this, under this point. And investment. So as I told you already, based on technical details only, you will get the investment. How much cost you need to produce one unit. So one unit means one that product. How much cost you need? So that you will get it based on the technical details or hardware components you used. So all those things, based on it you can write. Profit. Okay, by selling around 100 units of uh, your product, how much profit you can make it. So that you need to do. So selling price and profit, how much investment you are doing. So all these things should be there. uh, we are not expecting exact numbers or perfect data, but at least you need to give which is near to the exact one. So that we are expecting. This is about round one, round two details. And okay, thank you all, and all the best for the national level Ideathon 2020. Here are the contact details. If you have any queries, you can put. So thank you.